Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add multiple accounts to Meta Quest 3. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Meta Quest 3, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding multiple accounts to your Meta Quest 3 allows different users to have their own personalized experience and maintain separate progress in games and apps, alright? Now, it is a lot easier if you open your Meta Quest 3 device, but if you can't do so, I need you to log into your Meta account, and on the upper right corner, the profile icon, click on the devices, right? Now from here, all I have to do, if you haven't done so, create the new Meta account. And from your headset, it's going to be a lot different option. But if you are here on the website, I need you to associate your Meta account for the devices. Obviously, I don't have that option right now, but if you do, just click on the following options, all right? Click the settings on the top right, and of course, you just need to select the add account on the top right. Now, from your mobile phone, you need to go to this specific website at the www.meta.com/device, and you need to enter the 8-digit code from your headset. All right, and from your headset, complete the initial setup, including the logging in and adjusting headset fit and setting up the Guardian. Now, once multiple accounts are added, you can switch between them by going back to the account section in the settings menu and selecting the account you wish to, of course, use, all right? Now, always remember that each user can customize their own experience, purchase apps, and save their progress independently. If you encounter any problems adding multiple accounts on your Meta Quest 3, I suggest you need to go to this section. This is the official Meta Quest 3 Help Center. And from here, these are your topics that you think it could help you add multiple accounts on your Meta Quest 3, because not everyone has the technical expertise and skill level to do it, all right? And from here, you can also click on the contact support button here. And obviously, that's going to be Meta Quest software content. You can also visit the Meta VR forums, wherein maybe you can get some information about adding multiple accounts to Meta Quest 3 right here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.